They covered various topics from finance to buzz marketing, new venture planning. Like I haven't learned this in any university or college, so it was exciting because it kind of gave me access to some some academic information, some knowledge, and even some information from the street, from various mentors who came and spoke to us, from their businesses, from their backgrounds. So it was a good mix of academic as well as offline information. It all came together very beautifully.
First class that I'll never forget, because I think it was so integral to what I learned. Was with Mr. Batra, it was the EQ versus IQ, and I think it's so imperative in your personal space, in your business space, to have that EQ, because, and especially in a business like mine, which is so personal. I mean, I sell art. It is something that moves people. And I think it's really taught me how to work with people and work with my clients, but it's also taught me how to be happy in my personal space. And I thought that was a really nice way to start the course. And it's also important for women to realize that their EQ has to be in check.
Helps you hone your transferable skills. It's all relevant, up to date, stuff, not textbookish. You get to interact with the faculty, and it's a small group of people. So you get to speak in the classroom, you get to exchange ideas, you get to brainstorm, and it's not just about sitting there and jotting down, taking down notes. It's so much more than that. So I think the 6 dedicated hours of business consulting that each business gets, it's a fabulous way to sort of, it's a nice incentive to get into the thick of things and get advice from the experts, because the management, I think the faculty is a team of dedicated individuals who've been doing it for really long, and they're all really helpful. They're all there to sort of provide you that extra push and push you in the right direction.
What does come to my mind, and which I feel was an instant connect, was that they were more or less closer to our age group. So there was a connection, not just with what they were teaching, but the ideas, the ideologies, etc. And therefore there was a great connect with most of the faculty members. Also, secondly, I feel everybody found a connect with a certain faculty member, because that's where probably they felt that they were lacking. For example, for me, digital marketing was something which I hadn't been exposed to at all. So for me, the first connect was with somebody who was in digital marketing.
There's an extremely comfortable equation with your mentors, professors. So you can ask them questions online, offline, and they're patient, which is great. And they're really encouraging. So like I said, even a small idea, if there is some potential to it, they will help you realize it. It's a great platform to meet people and be mentored by some of the best professionals in the world with great experiences.
Now we are all done with our degrees and all, so we know that there's no race that we have to run for, or we really have to jot down points so that we can just reproduce them in the exam. So that's the good part. So you're free and you can learn, and the faculty is real good. They are experts in their own segments, but that doesn't come in between. Like we are really not experts, but that doesn't come really between us and the faculty. And they really teach from the students' perspective. They would understand the level of understanding of the students and come up to that level and then teach you. So it is good, and it's really simple without any technical jargon, so it can be for anybody.